How to tie the falconer's knot. Okay, so as you can see in front of me, going off to the right hand side is my working end, and here is the ring onto which we're going to tie the falconer's knot to. Now the first thing we're going to do is, the falconer's knot is tied with one hand. So the first thing that we do is we pass the working end up through that ring at that point there and take enough through to actually tie the knot itself. And then once we've passed it through that ring, the working end is now to the left hand side and my palm is underneath the standing part. The next thing that we do is we get hold of the working end with our two fingers. And now that we've got hold of the working end with our two fingers, I then get my thumb to dive down and pick up the working end and allow it to cross. So it looks like now what we've created here is a number 4. Now that I've done that, I then take my working end, which is in those two fingers there, and I pass it underneath and bring it round and up to the top to the right hand side of my thumb. I then pull my thumb out of that loop there and push through a bight of my working end, and there we have it. We have now tied a slip knot basically, but because it's tied with one hand, it is the falconer's knot, and all we need to do is just pull it up nice and tightly onto our ring, and our falcon is now secure. Now if you want additional security with this knot, you can have a longer working end and then tuck that down through the bight of your slip part of the knot there. So there we have it, nicely dressed, 1 in number, falconer's knot.